AI is coming for your job, or at least that's what everyone keeps telling you, right? As designers, and let's be honest, most other working people right now, it's easy to feel anxious. What if I get replaced? What happens to our careers, our creativity, our income? Sure, it might feel like AI can do certain parts of our jobs faster and easier. Maybe that's true. But before you start considering to retrain as a lion tamer or become a hermit living in a cave, consider how you might leverage AI to supercharge your creativity and productivity. Hey dudes, I'm Brom, a UX and product designer based in the UK. It's currently -6 and freezing. I've been using ChatGPT to brainstorm some other warmer places to live, and it's not working. AI is everywhere, and big tech companies are in an arms race to try and integrate it into everything we do. Think Microsoft's Copilot, Apple Intelligence, or Google's Gemini, and even Figma, to name a few. It's all around us, and there's no escaping it. It's no surprise people might think that AI might take our jobs away. But here's the thing. Without a crystal ball, we don't know where this is all headed. What we do know is that we can either fear it or figure out how to use it to our advantage. So let's explore how to harness AI, specifically ChatGPT, to become better, more productive designers. We'll dive into how to tackle tricky design briefs, analyze user research, and even get feedback on your designs. A good design brief should clearly outline a project's purpose, objectives, target audience, deliverables, requirements, timelines, and success metrics. It's like a roadmap guiding the designer while aligning with business goals. But let's be honest, those type of design briefs are unicorns. Most often, the briefs we get, if we get one at all, are so vague, you're wondering if they actually want something designed or for you to come up with their entire business idea. That's where ChatGPT can step in. Here's an example of a design brief that's a little light on detail, one you might recognize all too well. So you can see we've got a project title, or generic website design. The overview, we need a fresh new look for our website. It should feel more modern and visually appealing. Objectives, make the website stand out and look good. The target audience, anyone who visits the website. Scope of work, update the homepage and maybe some other pages. Design elements, use nice colors and fonts that pop. Timeline, ASAP. Let's take that shambles to ChatGPT and turn it into something we can actually work with. First, I'm going to set the stage for ChatGPT so it has some context and knows what we're trying to achieve. Hi, I've been given a design brief so vague, it hurts me. Can you help me turn this into an actionable, clear brief that I can take back to the client, Dave Smith at Acme Company? Please use best practice principles when writing this. Alright, now this is something we can actually start to work with. ChatGPT has nailed the essentials: the project's purpose, objectives, target audience, scope of work, design requirements, timeline, and success metrics. It's everything we need to understand the problem and get aligned with the client. It's not perfect, there are still key details the client needs to provide, but it gives a good solid foundation. From here, you can collaborate with the client to refine what they're trying to accomplish and massively increase the chances of a happy client at the end of the process. Whack it into a polished PDF, send it over to the client, and let the conversations begin. You're already halfway to a happy client and a successful project. So you're deep into your latest research project. You've conducted and recorded 20 user interviews based on a recent prototype you put together. You're exhausted. The coffee has officially stopped working, and now comes the daunting task of extracting all the insights you need to improve your designs. If you do the maths, 45 minutes per interview adds up to over 15 hours of footage. Even if you watch at double speed, that's still 7.5 hours. And that doesn't include pausing to take notes, rewinding to catch crucial details, and trying to piece it all together. At best, you're looking at a couple of marathon days. Oh, and the first draft deadline? It's in 2 days. Panic mode activated. But this is a great opportunity to leverage ChatGPT again. First, you'll need transcripts of all the interviews. There are loads of tools for this: Descript, Otter.ai, Rev, take your pick. For managing user interviews, platforms like Dovetail and Lookback are excellent too. But if you're on a tight budget, YouTube can also do this for you. Upload the videos privately and grab the transcript. Alternatively, use video editing software with built-in transcription features like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. For a DIY approach, try placing the video near the microphone of your computer while using the voice typing tool in Google Docs. Where possible, get transcripts with timestamps. It will save you time later. Now, with your transcripts ready, Upload them as individual text files to ChatGPT. Then set the scene with a clear prompt. Copy and paste this in again. Here are 5 transcripts from user interviews I recently conducted. Can you pull out key insights, recurring themes, and the overall sentiment? Please include quotes with timestamps and label them with the corresponding transcript. Always say please. You never know when our AI overlords might revolt, and it's best to be polite. ChatGPT will get to work analysing your data. Depending on the size and number of interviews, it might take a little while. And there you go. ChatGPT provides detailed insights, recurring themes, and quotes backed with timestamps so you can sense check its work. What would have taken hours is now condensed into minutes. Overwhelmed by research? Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. It won't replace your judgment, but it will give you a good head start. So you've got a clear brief which helped you prototype some excellent ideas. You shared your prototype with potential users, conducted interviews, and gathered a load of insights to refine your designs. Now you're at the stage where your layouts are nearing completion. This is the perfect time to leverage ChatGPT again to get some actionable, concise feedback. But not from just anyone. Let's ask for feedback from an experienced, award-winning design director. Here's how you do it. Upload your design layout to ChatGPT and give it some context with this prompt. I'll copy and paste this one in. Imagine you're an award-winning design director with over 25 years of experience and a deep understanding of design principles. The attached design is part of a project where I'm redesigning a website for a client with the primary goal of increasing conversions and sales. Please critique this work and provide detailed feedback. And there you have it. ChatGPT will provide a comprehensive critique, pointing out areas for improvement and offering insights you might have missed. Using this approach not only helps you refine your designs before showing them to stakeholders, but also ensures your work feels polished and professional. Plus, you'll have a clear, well thought out reason for every design decision you've made. AI can feel like a daunting prospect at times, but with a little bit of creativity, you can use it to elevate your designs in ways you might not have imagined. We've explored a few ways you can try this, but there are many others you could try too, like using AI for brainstorming ideas, drafting user interface copy, or even analysing the latest design trends. If you're interested in more ways to level up your design game, check out this video here. In the meantime, keep calm, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.